Good morning, students. So, debt of the partner, first problem we are going to see now, 6 marks. That is Ramesh, Prakash, and Suresh are the partners sharing profit and losses in the ratio 5:3:2. Balance sheet is given. Ramesh died. See, Ramesh dies. They have given you the adjustment. Prepare Ramesh capital account. Yes, Ramesh capital account. Only one account to do here, 6 marks again. Right? Ramesh capital account. Ramesh's capital account. Apostrophe S. Debtors particular amount rupees. Particular amount rupees credit. Same. First step is, students, always by balance brought down. Yes, by balance brought down. What is the amount you are writing here? Yes. Amount you will write here. Ramesh. What is his amount? As you can see here. Yes, it is 30,000, isn't it? Yes, so same this amount 30,000 you'll copy and write here. See how I'm writing? Okay, yes. Next, what they are telling? Next, you have to see, is there any reserve fund? Reserve fund is there, 6,000. Yes, but Ramesh's share you should do. See, ratio is 5:3:2. Ramesh's share will be 5 divided by 5 plus 3 plus 2 is 10. So 5 divided by 10. See here, reserve fund you write. Amount is how much? That is 6,000, isn't it? 6,000 into, what was the ratio? 5:3:2. Ramesh is 5. So 5 divided by 5 plus 3 plus 2 is 10. So this will be the share. Okay. Yes, this you don't have to write. You don't even understanding it. So 5 by 10 you multiply. If you multiply, you are going to get, yes, 2,000. I'm sorry, 3,000. Please use your calculator. 3,000 you will get. Okay, 3,000 this is. Okay, students? Yes. Next one, what you're going to do? See here, adjustment number 1. Goodwill. Goodwill is valued at 2.5 years purchase of average profit. Yes, of the previous 4 years with which 2013, 14, 12,000 is given, then 20,000, then 13,000, then 15,000. See here, students, here goodwill value is not given directly. So you have to add or average profit you should do. Average profit andre eno? All the 4 years ಅವರು ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರಲ್ಲ amount add ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, and 2.5 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay, I will just solve and show you. Okay, see how I am doing here. You should make a separate note, student. You should write this. ಈ ನೋಟಿಗೆ marks ಇದೆ. Okay, see how I am doing now. Okay, just write the heading, note anta bariri. Value of firm's goodwill you write. Value of firm's goodwill. Right? Goodwill is equal to 2.5. Why I am writing this 2.5 here? It is given in the questions here. 2.5 years. If it is given only 2, you will write 2. Here they are telling 2.5 years purchase. Here, 2.5 years. So, 2.5 average profit of previous 4 years. This from where did I write? It is given directly in the question, my dear students. See, of average profits of the previous 4 years. What is given? That only you copy and write. I'll tell it once again. Average profits of previous 4 years. Okay, I wrote it. Now what I'm doing, see here, students. As you can see, I'm going to do 2.5 and 2.5. Isn't it? 2.5 decimally I'm writing. Average profit of 4 years. What amount they have given? No, add ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Which is the amount 12,000 plus 20,000 plus 13,000 plus 15,000. ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಇದೆ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸಿ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್, ಅದೇನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಬರೀತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. 12,000 plus 20,000 plus 13,000 plus 15,000. Average andre divided by, yes, 1, 2, 3, 4 ಆಗ್ತದೆ, isn't it? So 2.5. When you add all this, how much you will get? You will get 60,000 divided by this 4. Systematically I will do and show you. Okay, now 2.5, 60,000 divided by 4 is how much? Yes, it will give you 15,000. When you multiply 2.5 into 15,000, it will give you rupees 37,500. This is the goodwill. Okay, goodwill value you have calculated. What did I do, students? Easy. In profit amount kottidralla ella add you do divided by 4 into 2.5. Why 2.5? Because it is given in the question. Okay, once again I will just show you all. Very important. 2.5. This idella amount idella 1 2 3 4 amount add ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Okay, now this is the goodwill you have got of the firm. Okay, next step, students, you have to calculate the gain ratio of Prakash. Ratio what is given in the question? See the heading alli starting they have given, yes, here 5:3:2, that you write. So 5:3:2. Ramesh died, he dies. When he died, under his ratio is gone. So what is the gain ratio? Is this, that is 3:2 is the gain ratio. Okay, now Ramesh share of goodwill. This is the goodwill of the firm. Business with the goodwill is 37,500. Okay, you want the goodwill of yes, you want the goodwill of Ramesh's share of goodwill you should create. Yes, so how I am writing here, see this amount 37,500. Yes, 37,000. I have written here 10 extra, students, please. I'm really sorry, just by mistake it is 37,500 it is. So 37,500 into Ramesh share. What is Ramesh share? Just now I have shown you 5/10. Okay, so 37,500 divided by 5/10. When you multiply, you're going to get, yes, that is 18,750. This is Ramesh's share. What did I do? Nothing. What this goodwill in there? This is the goodwill of the firm. You have to create Ramesh's share. Ramesh share is what? 5/10 idu. So 5/10 in multiply madidre 18,750 is the answer. Now this amount you have to give it to the alive yaar iddare, those who are living. He is dead, these both are living, avrige kodbeku in the gain ratio. Okay, amount of goodwill by Prakash. Okay, inagtade this amount what it is there, 18,750 into 3 divided by 3 plus 2 5. When you multiply, you will get 11,250. Yes, what did I do? E amount into gain ratio. Yes, 5 you forget because he is dead. Only these two is important now for us. 3 plus 2 is 5. Yes, just write rupees. Amount of goodwill borne by Suresh. Same amount of goodwill borne by Prakash. Amount of goodwill borne by Suresh. Amount enu ide. Ramesh's share ide alla, same amount. See your students. 18,750 into idu Suresh. This is Suresh. 2 divided by 5. 5 I write. 3 plus 2 is 5. When you multiply, you will get 7,500 rupees. These two amount you are going to copy and write. I hope did you understand? What did I do? Average goodwill I add, then by 4, 2.5 ishta answer siktade 37,500. But this is the goodwill of the firm. Yes, gain ratio and calculate ಮಾಡಿ. Gain ratio easy. Gain ratio what they have given. Now close this person. So what is that? 3 into Ramesh share of goodwill you do. E amount in the 5/10 ಮಾಡಿ. Why 5/10? That is Ramesh share. Okay, that will give 18,750. Now 18,750 you have to give it to Prakash and Suresh in this ratio 3:2 gain ratio idu. Okay, yes. Now I am going to write this amount in the account. Prakash capital account. What you will write amount? Amount idu. Prakash idu this. That is 11,250. Suresh is 7,500. 7,500. Okay, yes. Now next what we are doing, students, see the question what they are telling. Yeah, see the look at the question. Goodwill is done, very important work we have done. Now share in the profit from the date of the last year balance sheet till the date of debt can be calculated on the basis of last year's profit. Students, whenever they give share in the profit, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ one account we are preparing in this debt, that is by profit and loss suspense account. I'm repeating this once again, very important. ಈ ರೀತಿ share in profit ಅಂದ್ರೆ one who has died ಅಲ್ಲ, he has worked for some months. Okay, so that share we have to give him. If you don't give, it is unfair. Okay, so ಅದಕ್ಕೆ one account we are doing, that is by profit and loss suspense account, SUSPENSE, suspense account. How to calculate this? What they are telling, they have told, see, base of last year's profit. What is this year? 2017. Last year andre 2016 andre yav illu 2016 and idu 15,000. I'll tell this once again. On the basis of last year profit, last year, this year is 2017, last year andre 2016, so 15,000. So see how I'm writing now, very important, 15,000 into, I'm writing 6 by 12. Why I'm writing 6 by 12? He was alive only for 6 months ante. How we can tell he was alive only for 6 months? See here, business was started yavaga 31/3 andre March you cannot take because it is 31st, leave it. March adantra April. Okay, he died on September. See here students, September ಗೆ ತೀರ್ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾನೆ, he died. So April, May, June, July, August, September. How many months ಆಯ್ತು? 6 months. I will show this once again. Balance sheet is on 31/3. 3 andre March we are not taking because it is 31. It's already done, ಮುಗ್ದಿದೆ, ಆ ಮಂತ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಮುಗ್ದಿದೆ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮಂತ್ ಯಾವುದು? 3 ಆದ ನಂತರ 4 ಅಂದರೆ ಏಪ್ರಿಲ್, ಮೇ, ಜೂನ್, ಜುಲೈ, ಆಗಸ್ಟ್, ಸೆಪ್ಟೆಂಬರ್ 30th he died. So 6 months. So 6 by 12 I'm writing. See here, 6 by 12 I'm writing. Then I'm writing 5 by 10. Why I'm writing 5 by 10? That is a share. This 15,000 ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, this is the profit of all the 3 persons. But we are giving only his share. Why I'm writing this months? Because he was alive only for 6 months. Okay, so when you multiply, you will get 3,750. Always you just by heart this, students. By profit and loss suspense account ಗೆ amount months into his share ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು. I'll repeat it once again. Profit and loss suspense account amount months, how many months he was alive, into share, that amount you have to put. For all problems it is same. Once again you repeat, amount into months into share, always months divided by 12. Okay, yes. Now what we have to write, students? We'll see the question. Interest on capital to be allowed at 12%. Interest on capital. What is this capital, Ramesh? 30,000, isn't it? Ramesh is 30,000. See how I'm doing. Interest on capital, 30,000. Why 30,000? Amount is there given in the question, 30,000 into rate is already told, 12% in there, 12 upon 100 into months. Yavattu he was alive only for 6 months. 6 but here no share. I'm not writing share. Anybody can tell why? Because this is his capital. Illi separate ಮಾಡಿ already ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. There is no need to write the share again. His share is separate ಮಾಡಿ is given, Ramesh 30,000 anta. So I am not writing the share. Okay, so when you multiply this, you will get 1,800, isn't it? Yes. Last one, they are telling one sentence, students. See, they share in the revaluation account, his 5,000 credit side ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕಂತೆ. They have given already. And the revaluation account ಅಲ್ಲಿ his amount. Credit andre is this side. So by revaluation account you write, amount you write 5,000. Now you will add all this. Idella amount add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you will get 62,300. Here also write 62,300. This amount you will put here. That is to Ramesh executor's account, 62,300. Please write it properly. 1 marks is there for this. To Ramesh executor's account, RS, balance figure transferred. Okay, just remember. Okay, goodwill ಗೆ that calculation is profit and loss suspense ಗೆ amount months into share. Okay, thank you.